Do you ever wonder how would it be to work on 4-bit displays?
Hello, this is Vojtech from i-tec, and today I will reveal to you the QUATTRODOCK. QUATTRODOCK is docking station which can connect up to 4 displays with different screens from one notebook, which means that it is perfect product for analytics, bank applications, video surveillance, video or photo editors and other professionals. It is fully compatible with USB-C and Thunderbolt notebooks. But let's see what we got here. 2 display ports supporting up to 4K resolution. These leverage native video from USB-C ports. And 2 HDMI ports supporting up to Full HD. These are operated by DisplayLink video card in the dock. 4 USB 3 ports, 1 USB 3 port with fast charge support for your smartphone, and 1 USB-C port for your data transfer. And you know we always have LAN adapter, Kensington lock slot, and also audio and mic connector. This dock can charge your notebook up to 85 watts, which is pretty good. Do you need space for your coffees? You can mount this docking station to one of your displays via i-tec VESA bracket. If you use our i-tec Docker Pro software, which is free, this dock will clone the MAC address from your notebook to the LAN port on this docking station and also can back up all of your data. Wait a minute, that sounds really nice, but what is the price? Don't worry, you can buy this 4 display docking station just for the price of the 2 display docking station. Yeah, we are i-tec, and this is QUATTRODOCK.